right, I find myself at €1 Perugia. I came here to buy a dishwasher that I saw on special for €300, and then I walk away with one that's worth 500 because it was the same make and same thing that broke at my house yesterday, so I'm buying this one. These are the fridges on special here, I guess. I have something like that, or something like this I already own. Can't remember. I don't remember the make. But these are our products. This is what we have in the Italian stores. Wow, I have this and I paid much more than that. I can't remember how much, but I remember it was not $260. It's more than that. I'm not that lucky guy that buys things at a discount. I always pay the full price for some reason. Now, one of these little things I wouldn't mind, but I want to buy the antique one. I want to buy something like this, and I want to start a record collection. But I want to buy, something like from the 80s, a full stereo. I want to see if I can find it maybe at a small market, secondhand or something like that. Because, I don't know, nostalgia, I guess. So I can buy records like these. Wow, €25, Iron Maiden. I used to listen to that, These are the electrical bicycles. I'll show you what they cost. I think you have to buy, I don't think it's $199. Okay, this is $549. I don't think, maybe it's not electric. $359, $279. Not bad. All right. There's a lot of washing machines here. That's not the price. It's $1,000. It means you can buy it in installments of $104 each month. Yeah, Black Friday sales. Anyways, this is what we have. And you can shop at a Sunday morning. So get up early, and there's no traffic. There's no traffic, and the price is identical as in Friday, Saturday, or Monday. But there's no traffic. So if you're bored and you got nothing to do on a Sunday, go to a mall.